Hi CPA marketers, I'm just about to share with you one of the best strategies that you can apply and follow to make a lot of money on CPA Build or any CPA marketing content locking network that you can use to make money by promoting offers with incentive traffic. So if you are interested, I will share with you the best strategy that you can follow using TikTok. It's not about sharing videos and links and spamming behavior on the platform. This is a brand new strategy that never one had talked about it in YouTube. So make sure to watch today's video till the end. But first, I want to mention something. In the description below, I will leave a link of our website where you can get some great deals, some great discounts in many different platforms. As you can see right here, we have a lot of coupons that you can use to get some huge discounts in many different platforms. As I said, something like email marketing platforms right here. We have some good deals as well and discounts on some project management tools. If you need them, make sure to purchase this project management tools using our affiliate links and our coupon codes, so this way you get a discount and at the same time you support us by using our affiliate links, and as well some hosting platforms if you are interested in creating a website or building a landing page using ClickFunnels tool as well. So let's get started. So as I said, today's video is a completely brand new strategy that you can follow on TikTok. It's not just for TikTok, you can use it on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, wherever else. The whole strategy is simple. As you can see right here on TikTok, all what I'm doing is I will go to the search bar, right? And I will search for something, right? It doesn't matter what are you searching for, but the only thing I want to make sure is that I'm searching for pages right here on TikTok of some people that just starting their pages on TikTok, and the followers or the amount of followers they have is pretty low, something like under 2,000 followers, right? So these people are actually trying to build a famous TikTok page, but they are in the beginning and they need more support and more followers to grow up and to build a huge audience. And we will help these people right here on TikTok to grow their accounts, but instead of paying us money, we will ask them to complete CPA offers. So first, for example, let's say we have a single opt-in offer, right? Which is an email submit offer. This offer will accept traffic, for example, because most of them will work on the USA, Canada, UK, Australia, Germany. So make sure to target the right people with the right offer. For example, let's say if we have an offer for USA traffic, then we need to make sure that we need to contact with people on TikTok that are located on the US, so this way we will get our conversions and we will not waste our times and our hard work. And what I like about this strategy, because it's effective, because all what are we gonna do is helping these people to grow the amount of followers they have in their account by using social media marketing panels. If you don't know what is social media marketing panels, they are basically some platforms that you can use to do some social media marketing. So you go and you order, for example, an amount of subscribers or an amount of views or amount of followers on your, let's say, TikTok or Instagram account. So then you have to pay money and they will fill your order and they will send you the amount of subscribers or followers you request, right? So this is all what they are doing. They are selling social media marketing services. And as you can see right here, this website is one of the cheapest websites that you can use to get and to purchase some social media marketing services. For example, let's say right here we have TikTok followers, which is ultra fast. You can get up to 10k per day, which is good. And the rate per 1,000 is only 45 cents. Only 45 cents per 1,000 follower on TikTok, and the main order is 10, which is good. I love this service right here because it's completely cheap and you can start with 10 followers only for something like in the 1 cent to test the service. And we are not buying this social media marketing service for ourselves. We will buy it for these people. And you know, the you know, let's talk about the benefits of this strategy. You will not ask people to pay money, so this way you make them wanna get or test your service. And here is what you have to do, or the strategy that you need to follow when you are contacting with these people or with these creators on TikTok, in case if you want to grow your business and to make money on CPABuild. Just create a landing page on CPABuild, just a local, right? And just leave the offers you want people to complete. Something like, let's go with a pay submit offer, or an email submit. Let's say an email submit that are paying $2.60, which is a lot of money, because you would spend only, let's say, 45 cents to gain or to earn $2 and maybe 40 cents. So that will leave you a $2 return on investment, which is a good amount of money as a net profit on your investment, which is 40 cents. And the best thing with this strategy is, once you contact these people, right? For example, at the beginning, let's say let's contact this page right here, which is the shopping 202. They got only, or they have only 8,600 followers. So let's contact them, for example, and create a just them and said, hi, I can grow your followers, or I can add more followers to your your TikTok page, and I will not request any money for you, for example. And if you want, for example, to say something at the beginning just to get his trust, tell him, I will send you 100 followers completely for free, just to make sure that I can do this to your channel or to your page, and I can help you to grow on TikTok more. So he will say, okay, who doesn't want a 300 followers on TikTok? And you will spend only 4 cents to get this 100 followers. You will send it to his account the same time, and once he receives the 100, he will say, all right, good, this is a good service. Actually, I get 100 followers on my TikTok account, so yeah, I want more. Actually, I want tens of thousands of followers. Because our the other one, it is they want to to grow their social accounts. So once he trusts you and asks, okay, I want 1,000, then say, I will not charge you anything for 1,000, but all what I want you to do is just to to participate in a contest, right? And you will send the CPA offer to him, and once he completes the CPA offer, and you confirm that you received the lead, right? Because it's an incentive. It's a win-win situation. He complete the offer for you to get the commission of the lead, and you will send him 1,000 followers on TikTok for 45 cents. It's the best strategy that you can follow as a beginner, and you don't need to deal about all of these things. Just imagine if you contact only 100 people right here, and 100 people complete the offer for you. You will spend only $45, but 100 people with an offer that will pay you $2.50, you will make $250 per day by spending only $45. That will leave you with $200 profit per day, which is a great amount of money. I hope you like this strategy. See you in the next video.